Hi students, welcome to the next session of our 8th class physics. In the previous session we are discussing about coal and petroleum. Now we will continue some further discussion. Keep in mind that coal, keep in mind that petroleum is not just a petrol. Don't concern when I say petroleum is referring to the petrol that what we will use in our vehicles or in petrol station. It is a complex chemical which is used to produce so many other products, where among that petrol is one of the product. When I say petroleum, don't take it as petrol what we use. That is main concern that you keep in mind. Petroleum is a complex substance or complex chemical substance from which we can derive or obtain so many products. Among them, petrol is one of the chemical, one of the substance what we are going to obtain from the petroleum. Petroleum is a complex product, complex substance that you keep in mind. Don't concern petroleum like the petrol, but as petrol is, it is one of the product. Petrol is one of the product of petroleum. That's what you have to keep in mind. Now, continuing further our session. Yesterday we were talking about what are the natural resources, what are the resources which are abundantly available, and which are exhaustible resources, which are inexhaustible resources, and what happens if the forest is, if we cut off a tree or if a forest, assume how many years it is going to develop, and if coal and petrol is going to exhaust, some day it's going to exhaust. So we have to take an alternate of depending on the inexhaustible resources like solar energy and wind energy. That's what a small brief yesterday that what we have discussed. That is last session what we have discussed. Now the next topic that we have is in page number 97. We have coal, petrol and natural gas as fuel. This petroleum, coal, petroleum and natural gas, how they are going to act as fuel. That's what is the topic today, that what we are going to discuss. That is how the coal is acting like the fuel, how the petroleum is acting like fuel, or how the natural gas is used as fuel. That's what is our discussion is. Now among this, the first one is coal is used as fuel is a topic. It is coal used as fuel. A small brief understanding we can go with. Earlier people used kiln, that is poyi. In Telugu we call as poyi. That what is there in page number 97, figure number 1. This type of arrangement, nearby arrangement. This kiln, poyi, what we will see in our home. Earlier people used kiln, that is poyi, for cooking food, but now people use gas stoves and kerosene stoves. Earlier food was cooked, used wood as fuel, then coal, but now kerosene and LPGs are being used. Okay, what in the previous days we used to use wood. Where does this coal, or that is coal what is obtained after burning wood is a charcoal. Again, in order to have the various purposes, okay, for cooking the food, the main source of in earlier days was wood and coal. It is charcoal what we have. Which is obtained after burning wood, we will get a charcoal. To have earlier days to cook food is used to cook food. In earlier days, wood and coal, that is charcoal, is used for cooking the food. Okay, and it can be acted as fuel also. And what happened is, but nowadays, what this has been replaced now, it is replaced by LPG, the gas cylinders that what we will use, and with kerosene. This wood and coal is replaced with LPG and kerosene nowadays. Okay, fuel is needed not only for cooking but also for transport. Okay, this cooking food, we are using the wood and coal, that is charcoal, as the fuel. Only are we using the fuel for only for cooking? It's not so. Okay, the fuel is also used for transportation also. In transportation also the fuel is being used. Fuel is needed not only for cooking food but also for transport. Different vehicles, that is train, bus, car, two-wheelers, are used for traveling long distance, and they use different fuels. Okay, whatever we have bus, train, bus, train, lorries, cars, two-wheelers. These all use some fuel in different forms, that they will use fuel to travel from a long distance, one place to another place. People also travel by ship. The ship also is using the respective fuel, and fuel is also required for electric generation. Okay, so fuel is also used for electric generation. See the importance of fuel. Fuel is used for cooking. Fuel is used for transportation. Fuel is used for electricity generation. These are the three main purposes where the fuel is used. Okay. That is, in olden days, coal is used only for the coal is used as a fuel not only for cooking purpose. It is also used for transportation. It is also used for electric generation as well. Okay. Earlier, we read that wind power was used in windmills. In last session, we discussed that wind power is used in windmills. Okay. Then the steam engine was used. Coal was invented during the Industrial Revolution. Okay. Earlier we read that wind power will be used by windmills. Then afterwards, the steam engines was used coal. Nowadays we are using diesel engines. A train uses diesel engine and electricity engine also. Before that, there was a engine which is made by that we call as steam engine, which is uses the coal as the fuel. During this period, steam engine was used to power everything from cloth loom to vehicles on land and water. Okay. When the steam engines were introduced, they are not only used for only the vehicles and land and water, they are also used for cloth looms also. That is, engines are, after invention of steam engines, cloth looms, the vehicles which are running on the land and the vehicles which are running on the water were also used the steam engine, where the coal is the main fuel which is used for running that steam engine. Coal was the most important fuel in 19th century. In 19th century, the coal has used as most important fuel. It is an exhaustible resource. Actually, coal is an exhaustible resource. if you use continuously the coal continuously, if it gets used, someday will be there where the total coal will be exhausted. Okay, will be finished. It is nothing but exhausted is nothing but will be finished. Someday will be there where the coal will be get exhausted, but we can meet our needs for another 250 to 300 years. But whatever the coal is available in earth crust, we can use that coal and we can fulfill our needs for more 200 to 250 to 300 years. We can use that coal at the current rate of use. If you use like what we are using now, at the same rate, if you use, if we can go for 200 to 300 years more. If you increase the use of that usage of the coal, then it will be vanished or it will be exhausted in less than those years. Okay, till 1950, coal accounted for half of the electricity generation in the world. Till 1950, the coal, half of the coal is used for generating the electricity. Okay, just now we discussed coal is also as a fuel which is used for inventing the electricity also. Okay, coal was replaced by petroleum with the invention of more efficient engines in different vehicles. In older days, there were steam engines. In olden days, there were steam engines, but as the technology has been improved, there is an invention of different technology in the engines. The conversion of the invention of different engines is made to use petroleum instead of using the coal. If it is a steam engine, the coal was used, but as there is a change in the invention of the engines, the petroleum is taken place. Coal was replaced by petroleum with the invention of more efficient engines in different vehicles. Okay, as the invention of different engines has came up, the coal was replaced by petroleum. Now coal is mostly used to produce electricity in thermal power plants. Okay, that means in previously the coal was used. That means what the conclusion we can have is from our discussion, what is the conclusion we can have is coal is used as a fuel for cooking purpose and it is used as fuel in steam engines, for transportation, and it is used to generate electric power. To generate electric power, that is electricity, in thermal power plants. These are the various purposes where the coal is used as fuel. Coal is used as fuel for cooking, where for cooking directly the coal is used in the form of wood and coal, that is charcoal. So this is what is our understanding, where the coal is used as a fuel. Why this we call as the coal is used as fuel in transportation is, earlier there was an invention of steam engine. To run the steam engine, there is a necessity of coal, and as there is the necessity of coal to run the steam engines which are used for transportation, which internally we can say that the coal is also used for in the segment of transportation as well. Not only that, the coal, the invention of steam engines are used in running the cloth looms to view to woe our cloths. Okay. Now we'll see how the petroleum is used as fuel. Now let's discuss how petroleum is used as fuel. Okay. Before going to see, just we have to go with some small segment. That is, page which is given in page number 98. Coal is an ancient gift survived modern society. Okay, coal is a gift which is given by our elder people, our old generation, for our modern society. Coal has been now known and used for 1,000 years. Okay, coal is been known and used for 1,000 years ago. From 1,000 years ago onwards, we know the coal and we are using the coal. It is one of our earliest source of heat and light. It is one of the, so those days, as there is no power, we used to, that olden days, our elders, that olden days people were used to, our ancients, are used to have to generate heat and light. They use this coal, but it became a fuel of importance only after industrial revolution, which led to an increase in demand as fuel. Olden days they used to, coal was used for only for heating and light, but as there is an industrial revolution and invention of steam engines, it has got huge demand as a fuel. Okay, and there is a difference between coal and charcoal. Coal is a substance. Okay, coal is used in factories which is mined from the earth crust. Okay, a huge amount of coal is mined as a bulk. A huge amount, abundant amount of coal is present in the earth crust as mines. That, okay, when it is getting mined, that is a coal. Okay, huge amount of coal which is present in earth crust is a coal. But when we burn a wood at home, we will burn, and after burning we will get a black color substance. Okay, the coal obtained from the firewood is usually a charcoal. That is, whatever the black color substance that what we get after burning a wood is a charcoal. There is a difference. Sometimes when if we are nearby the railway track, sometimes we will see a goods train carrying the charcoal. We will see so many times, if we would have been nearby railway track, we will see the goods train will carrying the charcoal for the power stations. Okay, that is the difference. Coal is mined and the earth crust is used as a fuel for different various industrial purposes and in generating the electricity. Charcoal is a black color substance which is obtained when we burn the wood at home. Okay, that is the difference between coal and charcoal. That what we have to keep in mind. Next we will see how the petroleum is used as fuel. I hope you understood how the coal is used as fuel. Coal is used as fuel for cooking purpose. Okay, that is in terms of wood and charcoal. And coal is used in the transportation. As the steam engine is introduced, the main source of running the steam engine is coal. So that also used as in transportation. And coal is used for generating the electricity in electric, that is thermal power stations. These are the main uses where the coal is used as a fuel in coal is the, and the importance of the coal in as a fuel. Okay, now let's discuss the petroleum used as fuel. How the petroleum is used as fuel, that's what is the next agenda. If you go with the do you know segment, then we can understand much better. Petrol and diesel which are used in vehicles today are obtained from mineral called petroleum. Okay, see the petrol plus diesel. Petrol and diesel that what we use nowadays is obtained. They are obtained from petroleum. That is what you have to keep in mind. Okay, but nowadays the fuel, whatever the petrol, the fuel petrol and the diesel what we are using in transportation of vehicles, which is actually obtained from petroleum. Petroleum has been known almost since prehistoric time, more than 4,000 years ago. Asphalt, that is petroleum product. Okay, more than 4,000 years ago, petroleum products were used in construction of walls and towers of Babylon. Okay, more than 4,000 years back only petroleum has been used for constructing of walls and towers. There are also records from ancient China. Okay, there are some records also from ancient China about swallow wells being dug to get petroleum. But what did our ancients do with this petroleum? They mainly used for making their wooden boats waterproof. In olden days, petroleum is used for what? That is used for making wooden boats waterproof. They used to make the wooden boat waterproof as a fuel for lamps and some traditional remedies. Okay, they used for fuel for lamps. Yeah. This petroleum product is used as a fuel for lamps in ancient days. Okay, we realized the importance of petroleum only after science and technology progressed to give us petrochemical and petrol to run engines. Okay, not only this, from the petrol we get the petrochemicals which are used for various purposes. Which are used for various purpose. What are the different purpose which are used for petroleum? That is given in a chart form, in a figure form in page number 99 that we will discuss later. That is, from this just reference what we have is petrol is in the segment of petroleum used as fuel. What we understood is petrol and diesel what is using as a fuel nowadays is obtained from petroleum, and in ancient days, in olden days, ancient days, that is in previous our ancestors 1,000 years ago, they used to make the wooden boat. They used to make the wooden boats waterproof. To make the wooden boats waterproof, they were using the petroleum, and they used this petroleum for fuel for lamps. They used the petroleum for fuel as a fuel for lamps, and after the science and technology has been improved, the petrochemicals, there is an invention of petrochemicals. where these petrochemicals are used for various purposes. Okay, what are the various purposes? That is being stated in page number 99. Now we see now let's see natural gas as fuel. How the natural gas is used as fuel, that is what we are discussing now. Natural gas is found or trapped between impervious rocks, sometimes along with the petroleum and sometimes without petroleum. Okay, previously this gas was allowed to escape or even burned while pumping. Okay, this natural gas is found between the, go to page number 98, see the figure. We have the drilling rig here, where upon here we have a drilling rig where this is the earth crust, and in between these are the impervious rocks. In between these impervious rocks we have the natural gas region where there is a petroleum region. After this there is a chance of getting water. That means in between these impervious rocks we will found natural gas and petroleum. All the cases, at all points we will not get natural gas along with the petroleum. Sometimes there is a chance of getting the natural gas without petroleum also. That is, in olden days when they are digging to extract the petroleum from the earth crust, the natural gas also get evolved. Is also the previous days it also to be allowed. They found the natural gas as well, but as they don't know the efficient use of those natural gas earlier time, they used to allow to escape the natural gas away. But after finding the uses of this natural gas, they were collected and used for various purposes. Okay, now we will see what are those purposes. Now the natural gas is treated as equal as the scientists found, as the earlier days people found the importance of natural gas. They stopped allowing to escape while digging that petroleum. Now after finding the importance of the natural gas, they treated that natural gas as equal as the petroleum and precious as equal as petroleum, and it is precious because it is safe for environment. Okay, this natural gas is treated as precious and as equal as petroleum because it is safer for the environment. Natural gas is stored under high pressure and compressed as compressed natural gas. Okay, see, it is compressed and stored as CNG. See, natural gas is compressed and stored as CNG, that is compressed natural gas. Okay, natural gas is stored under high pressure and compressed natural gas as compressed natural gas. The exploration of more petroleum and natural gas are going under the supervision of the exploration and the supervision, the exploration of the exploration of petroleum, and this natural gas is done with the help of CNGC, where the CNGC is called as oil and natural gas corporation. Natural gas corporation, oil and natural gas corporation, that is digging of the petroleum and digging of the collecting of this natural gas is supervised with an corporation called CNGC, where this oil natural gas corporation. In India, the fields has been discovered in Tripura, Mumbai Highway, Krishna Godavari Delta, and Jaisalmer. Okay. Now this is where we are going to locate. Now what are the uses? If we talk about the uses of the natural gas, as it is stored in CNG, compressed natural gas in cylinders, okay, it is used as fuel for cooking and fuel in vehicles also. Any transportation. So the main purpose of the main usage of CNG is as it is stored in cylinders, it is used as fuel for cooking, and it is used for transportation. It is used as fuel for transportation vehicles also. Okay, because it is recommended because it is safer for environment, as it will release less pollution and it is safe for the environment. Okay, these are the two main uses of CNG as a fuel, and it is stored under the high pressure and it is considered as compressed natural gas. The obtaining or digging of obtaining the product of this CNG is supervised by ONGC, that is Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. Tomorrow we will discuss what are the other uses of petroleum, natural gases in the next session. Thank you.